Greetings, commissars, commanders, and ground forces of Umkhonto Wesizwe in Moses Mabhida region. This is Reggie Ngcobo, coordinator with Moses Mabhida region of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Comrades, in a couple of weeks ago, we circulated into ekhulumisana nama programs akadenziwa abantu abagqoke izikipa zika ANC noma ba amalunga ka ANC kade bengena umuzi nomuzi bathi bazobhalisela u-one home one garden noma bazobhalisela imixhaso noma bazobhalisela imali yomhlaba noma bazobhalisela okunye bathathe ama-ID copies noma ama-ID numbers. Lapho saba nokusola ukuthi khona abaphezulu kwabo okurong abantu baka ANC. And imbiko esitholayo from our intelligence isitshela ukuthi la abantu baka ANC bahlela ukuthi bathole minimum of 700 special votes ngosuku lwama special votes which should be before elections. Bafuna ukuthi kushaya mhla ka 29 bano 700 on minimum of 700 on each and every ward. So labo bantu ababatargetile bafuna ukubanikeza ama food parcels babathengele noma babathengele utshwala noma babanikeze imali noma babanikeze ama voucher. Bafuna ukuthi siyafika mhla ka 29 each and every ward bazobe sebe no minimum of 700 votes. So we are calling on all ground forces, party agent commanders and commissars and our security commanders ukuthi we must be vigilant ngalento lena ezoqalwa ile nhlangano ka ANC. Ama special votes sizoba khona kuona wonke and IEC will demand a list of people registered for ama special votes and ayikho special votes that would be casted ingekho ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe lapho, and will make sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngendlela ngosuku lokuvota. The people who will be casting special votes prior to the general election date, so when they're sure they don't appear on the ballot paper, I mean on the voters roll on that day. So iloko maqabane asibagadena amasela asebhiza yatatazela amandla.